Hey guys, welcome back to day 2 of our art bootcamp. Today we'll be discussing, because I had a real problem with this, that what's the difference between anime face and a human face. Because when I draw, I haven't really started drawing poses, full like learning poses, but whenever I draw a pose, the head, I'm not sure whether I'm supposed to draw an anime head or a human head, and what's really is the difference. So I did learn the difference, and it's not that good because anime faces are much cuter than human faces. I wish we were that, but so let's begin. So first thing is, anime faces are cuter than human faces. And how do they achieve the cuteness? Because of the jaw. So if you see the length of jaw, and the length of jaw is where the circle is meeting the jawline. The length of jaw here is much bigger than the length of jaw here. If you have a shorter jaw, like infants, like kids, like babies, they have a shorter jaw and they look cuter. So for anime faces, draw a shorter jaw. That means having a sharp jawline, like a more narrow jawline than a human face, which has a much wider jawline. So now how to achieve the cuteness is now how to shorten a jaw by sharpening the jawline for an anime face and keeping it longer in a human face. The angle here is much shorter than the angle here. So keeping a larger angle for a human face and a shorter angle for an anime face. That would be point 1. Point 2 would be the curvy cheeks. These are much curvy in an anime face, but in human they are much straighter and much not curvy. How do we achieve that? By not cutting, by keeping the head in a circle. Like here, I've joined the jawline with the circle and not cutting it. Whereas in a human face, I have cut in the middle. This portion I have cut, and this gives me a much straighter and not so cuter jawline. So less curvy jawline on a human face by cutting the circle and joining it with the jaw, and much cuter jawline, much curvy in an anime face by just joining it with the jawline and not cutting it from the middle. Now thirdly, we come to the facial features. So in an anime face, the eyes are, as you can see, much bigger and much more complicated. Whereas in a human face, the eyes are much smaller and very simple. So you can add as many things as you want in an anime face, like make something here and give it something here. But in a human face, you can just simply draw the iris and maybe a bit light reflection here. So bigger eyes in an anime face and shorter eyes in a human face. Now comes the nose and the mouth. So this portion here. As you can see, in a human face, we have to well define the nose, make it much bigger, joining the eyes coming from the eyebrows here. And the lips are much wider and bigger than the nose length. For most humans, some have much bigger because of the Botox and all that. That's the case. Whereas in an anime face, you just have to make a line like this, or like this, or like this for the nose. And for the lips too, I've seen what they do in animes is just make like someone is happy. They make a small, this is an anime happy face. So this would be the inside of the mouth, and for the outside they just gave a little bit of this here. This would be an anime face's mouth. So here also you would just add some color here, very thin colors here, and that would be it. So that's the difference in the mouth as well.